Moto Edge 50 Ultra. In this video, we're gonna talk about this mobile clearly. First, starting with the price, we'll go display, we'll talk about the processor and cameras and battery and multimedia and the other features. So let's start with the price. This mobile comes with according to the news until now, there are rumored price that this mobile might comes to the price tag of 52,919, almost 53,000 rupees. So we have to wait until 18th of this month to get the official price. By the way, this will be available to buy in Flipkart, not in Amazon. Let's start with this mobile's display size. It comes with a 6.7 inches of 144 Hz refresh rate POLED display protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. And this, when we talk about the processor, this mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, which is a 4nm based 5G octa-core processor. Now, when I say 5G, we need to remember the 5G bands. This mobile comes with almost 17 5G bands. And this mobile will be available in different variants. Those are like RAM and storage variants. It will be available in 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage variant, and 12GB RAM, 512GB, and 12GB RAM, 1TB variant also. And these are UFS 4.1 storage capacities coupled with the LPDDR5X RAM types. So we can expect a great performance from this mobile as looking at the features. When we talk about the cameras, yes, this mobile comes with the triple cameras at the rear side, the back. It comes with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization and a 64 megapixels of periscopic zoom lens and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. Yeah, for the front also it comes with a 50 megapixels of wide angle selfie camera. Now when we talk about the battery, it comes with a 4500 milliamperes of battery which supports 125 watts of fast charge through wire, and it supports 50 watts of wireless charge, and it also supports 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. When we talk about the multimedia, yeah, this mobile doesn't comes with any 3.5mm jack and it comes with the stereo speakers. When we talk about this mobile's operating system, out of the box it comes with Android version 14 and the Moto latest UI. And when we talk about the connectivity, and when we talk about the other features, connectivity is one thing. And this mobile comes with Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.4 and GPS, and this also comes with all the sensors. It doesn't skip any sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor and compass, everything. And when we talk about the body, this mobile comes with a front glass frame is metal and the back is a wooden finish. It comes with a wooden back. And this mobile releases on 18th of this month, as I said earlier, and this is going to be available in 4 color variants. I will list the colors in the description box down below so you can read it out from there because they are hard to remember, And by the way, if you're watching the video until now, you might like this video and hit the like button and also the subscribe button. That's the main thing. These are the major features of this mobile. By the way, this mobile also comes with a flagship features like in-display fingerprint scanner. Obviously, every mobile has that feature these days. But this mobile has a IP68 water and dust resistant support, and okay, starting from 53,000 rupees, this mobile's price can go up to 62,000 rupees according to the news until now. So we have to wait until 18th of this month to get the actual price. So this is all about this mobile. If you like this video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button.